Hello everyone, welcome to Rome Tech. Today we will be discussing how to access local channels on YouTube TV. Before we dive in, if you find this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to Rome Tech for more tech tips and tricks. So you've got YouTube TV, but you're wondering how to watch your local news, sports and weather? You're in the right place. In this video, we'll cover everything you need to know about finding and watching local channels on YouTube TV. We'll go over how YouTube TV determines your local channels. Ways to check which local channels are available in your area. Troubleshooting tips if you're not seeing your local channels. Let's get started. First, how does YouTube TV know which local channels to show you? YouTube TV determines your local channel lineup based on your current location. It uses your device's IP address or location services to figure out where you are. Now, how do you check which local channels are actually available in your area? There are a couple of easy ways to do this. Method 1. The YouTube TV website. The easiest way is through the YouTube TV website. 1. Go to tv.youtube.com in your web browser. 2. Sign in to your YouTube TV account if you aren't already. 3. Look for the Live tab. Click on it. 4. You should see a list of channels available to you. Your local channels will be listed alongside the other channels included in your YouTube TV subscription. Look for the call letters of your local networks, like ABC, CBS, NBC, and Fox, followed by their channel number. Method 2. YouTube TV app. You can also check within the YouTube TV app on your phone, tablet, or smart TV. 1. Open the YouTube TV app. 2. Make sure you're signed in to your account. 3. Navigate to the Live tab, usually found at the bottom of the screen on mobile devices or on the side menu on TV apps. 4. Scroll through the channel guide to see which local channels are listed. Okay, so you've checked, and you're not seeing your local channels. What's going on? Here are a few troubleshooting tips. Tip 1. Location services. Make sure location services are enabled on your device. If location services are turned off or if YouTube TV doesn't have permission to access your location, it won't be able to determine your local channels. On your phone or tablet. Check your device's settings for location permissions for the YouTube TV app. On your smart TV. Some smart TVs have location settings as well. Check your TV's settings menu. Tip 2. Check your zip code. Even with location services enabled, YouTube TV might be misidentifying your location. You can manually set your home area within YouTube TV. 1. Go to tv.youtube.com on a computer. 2. Click on your profile picture, then select Settings. 3. Click on Area. 4. You can then update or confirm your current zip code. This will ensure that YouTube TV uses the correct location to determine your local channels. Tip 3. VPN and proxy servers. If you are using a VPN or proxy server, YouTube TV might be detecting the location of the VPN server instead of your actual location. Try disabling your VPN or proxy and see if that resolves the issue. Tip 4. Contact YouTube TV support. If you've tried all of these steps and you're still not seeing your local channels, the next best step is to contact YouTube TV support. They can help troubleshoot any technical issues or account problems that might be preventing you from accessing your local channels. And that's it. You should now be able to easily find and watch your local channels on YouTube TV. We hope you found this video helpful. Remember to like this video and subscribe to Rome Tech for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.